my gosh, you guys won't believe it, for days. So yeah, I got it off. It's a iPad Generation 9. What's up guys, welcome to my pre. It's your girl with another video. Okay, let's get right into it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Come over to everything with Tish, okay? Alright, so I just got back on my vacation. Literally just woke up, went into the shower. It's already 2:30 a.m. I was going to sleep, but then I was like, ugh, my laptop is slow. It's not working. I had to take it to the laptop people that I bought it from. Not Apple, can't get me. But it's slow. Editing is slow. It makes editing insufferable. Like, I hate editing because of this. Well, the guy said that the laptop battery is slow, so he needed to replace it. And usually it's about, what did he say? They replace it for 170, but because I got it from them, I'm a loyal customer, blah, blah. They'll give it to me for 100. He already had the back open. No, thank you. So I said, is it expensive typically? He was like, yeah, anywhere else you go, it's gonna be about 300 or so. I think he said around 300 or so to get it done. No, thank you. So I went on Amazon, right? I went on Amazon. I found a battery. That's in my Amazon storefront. The link will be in the comments section. So I decided to take it up on my own hands and I'm going to fix it because $50 on Amazon, $49 to be exact. Again, it's in my Amazon storefront. Everything that I use is in my link. This is what the box looks like. I already opened it, but let me show you guys. This is the battery. And everything that's needed for it is in here. It comes with the screws. It comes with this little scraper thing. I don't know what it's for, but I'm following a YouTube video of someone replacing the battery. So we'll see. If I can get it done by myself, then I will be uploading this exact video because that's why I haven't been able to post recently. Editing is hell with this camera. I mean, with this laptop. Ooh, heck. If you knew how long it just took me to just get this little piece of thing underneath here. Sheesh. Okay. Lord, I hope I'm not breaking it. You know what? Let me look this up. Okay. So I finally use this thing to pry it open right here. And so yeah, I got it off. This is what the back is looking like. But the thing is, this is what the battery looks like. Batteries are different, but on Amazon it said that this battery was compatible with this. I don't know though, because I'm looking up stuff on YouTube underneath the video, and it says that some people said that once they connected the battery, it was saying, oh, it's not an original Apple product, so let's see if it's gonna work or not. I don't know. Ooh, I'm nervous now. I think I have to order another battery. Hopefully it will come today. Because I don't think that it's this. And I want the exact thing. So let me do some research real quick. Alright you guys, I'm back with my laptop. Still has no battery because I'm a little bit nervous and I just returned the old battery today. But I have not uploaded for you guys in like 2 weeks. It's stressing me out. Every time my laptop come on, it's, God forbid I just move it, it's done. It's just cut off. So I still feel like I might have to pay to get something done. And instead of doing that, I was like, as much as I didn't want to, because I don't support what's going on in the world right now. I really did not want to go get an iPad. I've been trying to get the used ones from the Facebook market page, all of that. I was in contact with people because I said, you know, if I buy from someone else, then I'm not supporting Apple. Like, money's not going to them. Oh my gosh, you guys won't believe it. For days, I've been communicating with people. Either they didn't have enough storage or they were overcharging for something that, like, a 5th generation. And I was like, the lifespan of the iPads are supposed to be 5 years, even though people have them for like 10 years. Anyways, the point is that I got an iPad. I just had to go. I just hope it's not going to Apple, because I didn't buy it from Apple. So I hope they're not getting my money, okay? But in order for me to be able to give you guys consistent content, I have so many videos, it's not even funny. I just haven't been able to do anything because of this. When I went out the country, this is too heavy, so I said, you know, this makes more sense, right? I can always be on the go with this. It's the iPad generation 9. I have 256 gigabytes. I was just going to use this for small things like TikTok videos and stuff, because I'm constantly needing things edited. And editing is not fun on my laptop because it's so slow because of the battery. So with this, I'm hoping that editing will not take me, like a 10-minute video should not take me 8 hours to edit. I should not be waiting on it to be loading for so long. So now I have the iPad 9, and I'm gonna get some content out to you guys. The next video will be an unboxing of my iPad. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. I just wish I could have gotten some more content out to you guys before this, but listen, we're in it together now. I absolutely love this. I'm not going to lie, I wish I got it sooner. I actually wish I got it before all this stuff going on with Apple and what's going on in the world, but you know, I'm just gonna ease up on that. But please let me know what you guys think about my new editing that I threw in there. You like it? If you like it, put it in the comment section, but also like my videos so the algorithm can do its thing. We're trying to be big here, right? We're trying to progress, right? My laptop is still not fixed. It's on right now. I can click it and it'll just be on, but if I move it, it's going to turn off. So, you know, whatever. But for now, this is gonna do the job. I'm telling you that right now. And I have storage for days, so I'm just gonna knock out all of my editing, get that done, and then I can post my videos for you guys. But I can honestly say that I enjoyed editing today, and I am excited to continue to learn how to edit some more. Yeah, I am so excited. All the girlies are on TikTok doing their editing stuff, and they're like, welcome to editing class 101. And I'm just sitting in the classroom taking notes, because this right here, I'm gonna make something of this. Mark my words. Mark my words. And if you're here for it, thank you so much. Thank you. I really do appreciate you guys, and especially the ones that have been rocking with me for a while, since I started my channel, doing every and anything, and I still do it till this day because it's everything Tish. So it's like whatever I want. I think you guys are here for my personality, and I love that, because it's not because of aesthetic. I mean, look at me. And while I'm talking about look at me, y'all, the protein from the gym, it's just not working. It goes to my face, it goes to my arm, it goes to my belly, it goes to my thighs. No matter how much I lift light and increase my protein, it's just like protein, just it likes my face. But someone told me that I need to do something that massages my face, because it happened to them a lot whenever they were getting protein. So yeah, I plan on doing a lot of facial massages and just making sure that my body is just, I'm just gonna go get massages more constantly and massage my face myself at nighttime and the morning time, because this is not gonna work for me. It's not, because I need my protein, but I also don't want to be looking full all day every day. So yeah, I was able to edit one, and since it's 10 p.m. that's not really my time to post. I don't like that. I don't think you guys will see my video. So tomorrow, Saturday, I'm posting this immediately. I'm probably gonna have it even up by 11 a.m. I'm gonna set a little timer thingy and have it publish itself at 11 a.m. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to come over to Everything Tish, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to come over to Everything Tish, okay? Until next time, peace.